Hi guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram, where I will provide you some new job updates from big MNCs. So if you are a fresher or experienced graduate looking for a new job or job change, you can watch the video. For apply to the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. Please watch the entire video. I will provide you all the steps so that you can easily apply for your dream job. Also, I will provide all the job details in the video description so that you can directly redirect to the apply page from the description. Also, if you are new to this channel, I am requesting you to subscribe this channel to get latest job updates, internship updates, course details, etc. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. So guys, welcome to another job update in my channel, and today the job update is from PWC company. As you can see in the screen, the job role is quality engineer Power BI. So here the job is asking for multiple location. So the locations are mentioned in the page. The locations are Bangalore, Mumbai and Hyderabad. So if you are able to clear the job, you have to visit one of these location. It could be Bangalore, Mumbai or Hyderabad. So based on your preference, you can select your location as well. It will be a full-time role. Let's discuss about the job update. Freshers can apply for this role, and the graduates who have knowledge on Power BI and the software development lifecycle and manual testing, they can apply for this role. In the job description, I will explain about all the skills and responsibilities, so you will get the proper idea about the job details. So now let's discuss about the management level. It will be associate, and here job description and summary, they have mentioned what you have to do in this job. They have provided some key points which you need to follow before apply to this job. So here some important key points are: share and collaborate effectively with others, identify and make suggestions for improvement when problems and opportunities arises, handle, manipulate and analyze data, keep up to date with developments, build and maintain an internal and external network. So here you have to be skilled with data analytics knowledge as well as quality assurance and software testing knowledge, so that you can apply for this role. Also mention that you get some experience or you have to get some knowledge about the SQL, Power BI, some programming languages like Python, Java or C# for automation testing. And also in the last point, they have mentioned experience in CI/CD integration tools such as Azure DevOps, Jenkins, and good have experience on test management tools like TFS, Jira. So if you want to apply for this role, you have to get the idea about these all tools and technologies which they have mentioned. You have to get the knowledge about data analytics, data visualization and software testing before apply to this job. And their work visa sponsorship is not required, travel requirements also not required. And that's all about the job update. If you have the knowledge and if you have completed your graduation or post graduation, you can apply for this job. So if you want to apply for this job, you can prepare a CV based on the requirement, and after that you can apply in this page. I will provide you the link in the description so that you can directly redirect in this page and you can apply for this job. So to apply for this job, you just need to click on this apply button. After that, it will ask you some question, so you have to select any of them which you want to apply. If you have a LinkedIn account, you can also apply with LinkedIn. You can also apply with autofill with resume. So click on the option which you want to select. After that, one form will open, and here it will ask you to log in into the PWC company. So if you don't have a profile yet, you need to click on this create account button, and you need to create one profile using your email address and password. After that, you have to log into a PWC profile which you have created, and after that you will get the page where you have to submit all the details and you have to attach the resume as well. After that, you can submit the page, and after submitting the page, you will get the confirmation mail from the PWC company. And if your profile got shortlisted for this specific role, they will mail you or call you about the interview process. That's all about today's job update. Let's discuss about the salary as well. I am in the ambition box website, and as you can see, average salary they have mentioned for this role is 11 lakh per annum, but this salary is for 3 to 6 years experienced employees. If you are fresher, so you can expect the salary between 6 to 7 LPA as a fresher, graduate or postgraduate student. So that's all about today's job update. If you want to apply for this job update, you can apply it from the description box. And for getting regular job updates, please subscribe this channel and also enable the bell icon to get notified for all the regular job updates. Thank you. So this is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.